you record a video, edit it and upload it, do you understand? And immediately after you must have done all these things, you went ahead to hit that public. Trust me, that might be the exact reason why you are not getting that views. Yes, trust me, this is one of the things that most of small YouTubers do not know, and because they don't have anybody to really guide them on the right path to flow, they keep on getting those low views. So the problem may not be your content actually. Yes, it may be how you are uploading your videos. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful tips that you must apply if your channel isn't growing right now. So if you apply them correctly, you will start seeing more views, more subscribers, more watch hours. Okay, so let's get started now. So I'm going to tap studio.youtube.com. okay, then it is going to load and open. Sometimes it takes time, most especially if network is really bad. So I'm going to be using this particular channel to be doing that. Okay, so now we are in my studio browser. Then you see this, I want to know if I can use my, okay, no need. So you see this place where they wrote create up here. Tap on create. Then you're going to see options like upload videos, go live, create posts, new playlist, new podcast. So tap on upload videos. Then you see this interface showing here right now. Tap on the pencil icon and it will take you to your photos, your videos, or whatever, depending. All right, so this is it. So I'm going to choose the particular video I want to upload. Let me go over to my gallery so it will be easy for me to identify. So I'll go over to, okay, so these are the videos. So I'm going to pick any video here of my choice. Maybe this is okay. Then tap on it and click on done. Let me increase the brightness of my phone. So you see now the video has I've uploaded it. I forgot to do something. After shooting your video, go to your your video and rename the file. Okay, maybe in one of my subsequent videos I'm going to show you guys how to rename a video. Okay, but I didn't do it in this particular video. So just type on, give the video a title, maybe how to get 1000 subs. Okay, then after I must have done this, go to description, give your video a good description so that it can actually rank among other videos. So after I must have given your video a description, you go and tap on upload to put your thumbnail in your video. So go to, is that you go to upload file. Now when you tap on this upload file, it is going to take you directly to your gallery. So you pick the thumbnail that you've already designed for your video. But if you want the YouTube to auto generate thumbnail for you, they are going to generate auto thumbnail for you based on your video. Okay, that is what they mean by auto generated. Then you can also do an A/B testing of your thumbnail, meaning that maybe you must have designed 3 different thumbnails. Then if you click on this A/B testing, you are going to select the 3 thumbnails that you have already designed. So YouTube is going to test those thumbnails to know if they actually sit very well. Then after that, go to select playlist. When you go to select playlist, it is going to open your, maybe if you have many other videos, you're going to see the playlist you have, then pick on any of them. But I'm not going to pick any of this in here. This is just for tutorial sake. Then when you must have added a playlist to your video, come down here. Is your video made for kids or not made for kids, or age restriction? So but my video is not made for kids, so I'm going to tap no. All right, then after that Is your video an altered content? This is where I am now. So my video is not altered content. Altered content, maybe if you are into AI generated images, that is altered, okay? But this is my personal video, my original video. So I'm gonna tap no, that it is not altered content. Then after that, keep going down. Now here in this space, now you're going to see add tag. You know, tags helps your video to be searchable on the YouTube app, right? Meaning that if people are looking for a particular topic, maybe based on the niche you are into, there are chances of you that your video is going to pop up amongst other videos. So that is what we mean by tags. So you give your video tags based or related to the topic that you are into. Then when you must have finished that, come down also, make sure under this license allow embedding and also allow your publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers. All right, then in short remixing, do you want your video and audio to be remixed by people? If you want it, to tap yes. If you don't want it, maybe you want only your audio to be remixed, or don't even allow any choice, like whatever choice that you have, just select any of them. Then what category is your video, or what is the category of niche you are into? So my category is how to and style. As you can see, I've already imputed mine here. Then that is it. You see these comments and rating. Make sure that your comment section is on, because maybe sometimes when people finish watching your video, they would want to react, maybe give their opinion on what your video is all about. You wouldn't want them to maybe not to engage, so make sure that your comment section is on and not off. Then who can comment, you tap anyone or whatever and all of that. Then when you must have done with this, come to next. Then here we have add subtitles. If you want your video to have subtitles, go ahead and add it. But aside that, YouTube already have these auto-generated subtitles. As for me, I hardly put subtitles because YouTube will always generate titles, subtitles for my videos. Okay, then when you must have selected it, come to add an end screen. End screen helps your video to be discovered by other people, so make sure that you always add end screen. All right, so when you tap on this end screen, now let me show you guys how it works. So you see end screen, then you see this element here, you tap on element. Then if the end screen you want to use is, maybe you want to select your normal videos based on the ones you've already uploaded before, fine. Or playlists, if you want to use your playlist as end screen, is very good. After yourself, it will even make people to binge watch your video, right? So in end screen, you are allowed to choose 4 end screens in your video. So when you must have done here, they are going to, this option of save will be on, so you save it after you must have selected your 4 end screens. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want to upload this video now, so I'm going to discharge this. Then come to add cards. Add cards is also very important. So you do the same thing just like you did in add an end screen. So it's either you go for video or your playlist, or YouTube is going to do that for you, anyone that you want. All right, but I'm not going to go through that, please. Then in these cards, you are allowed to choose 5 cards. You are allowed to choose 5 cards. All right, so aside that, that's all. Then after you must have finished this, I don't want to also choose it, so I'm going to go back. Then tap on next. Then next is going to show you whether your video have your copyright. Maybe if you stole somebody's video, you understand, they are going to show you that your video is copyrighted. But mine is original because I created mine by myself, so mine doesn't have any copyright issues. So if you're satisfied with what this option gave to you, come to next also. Then in this next, it's always advisable that when you want to make an upload, do not publish your video immediately. It's either you schedule your video or you put it in unlisted. The reason why you should always unlist your video or schedule it is to give YouTube chance in order to, you know, really go through your video and know who your videos are meant for. All right, that is the essence of scheduling or listed. At least 24 hours interval is okay. So if you have chosen that, now if you are to schedule a video or whatever, after you must have choose either public. If you choose public, that means you are to schedule it. Even if you choose unlisted, it's still the same. So for me to unlist this video now, I'm going to choose which time do I want this video to be uploaded on YouTube. Maybe I want this video to be uploaded tomorrow around 6 p.m. So sorry guys. So I'm going to choose February 21 or 22, depending on the date I want it to be published. Then what time, you select your time here. Now what time zone, you're also going to select it, but for me, I'm not doing any of this. Now also another thing here is you can also set your video as premiere. You know what premiere is? Premiere is as if you are going live, but it's not live. And when people are watching your premiere, they will not fast forward your video, just like a normal live streaming. In live streaming, nobody can fast forward your video, but when your video must have uploaded normally, there are chances that people will fast forward it. Okay, so the essence of this premiere is to enable people to watch your video from beginning to end without fast forwarding or putting it in play speed or whatever. All right, so the choice is yours. Me, sometimes I normally use premiere, but it depends actually, sure. So what works for me might not actually work for you, so just check what works for you and flow with it. So that is just it. So we're going back to now. Another thing you can actually do to make your video to be discovered and, you know, to start gaining attraction and views is for you to start making longer videos, because longer videos helps your watch time, and you know that watch time matters a lot. So some creators sometimes think that watch time only matters for monetization. No, that is totally not it. All right, so for you to join YouTube partnership program, you need to at least have a total number of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. All right, so but even after monetization, trust me, your watch time still matters a lot, because when your videos are not, you know, getting views, money will not come. Yes, you will not be able to earn money on YouTube. So if people watch your video very longer, it is going to generate you more watch hours, and you stand a chance to send positive signals to the algorithm. All right, then also you are also going to get recommendation, because YouTube will continue to recommend your videos to people that needs it. You know, every video has some set of people that are actually interested in watching it. So if your videos are only if you are still creating 2 minutes 3 minutes video, your watch hour growth will absolutely become very slow. You understand? You'll be crippling, all right, that's like you'll be crawling just like a baby that is learning how to, you know, make some moves. So instead of you to still be stuck on creating 2, 3, 5 minutes video, why not make it longer? 8 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, even still 20 to 30 minutes. All right, so if valuable, actually, because there are some videos that don't require that doesn't need it to be long. You understand? There are some videos that you don't need to elongate it, just make it short and snappy. So that's just it. Mind you that long videos create more opportunity for your watch time, but only if they are engaging, because you cannot just shoot nonsense video and you post it and expect people to, you know, stay there and keep listening to the rubbish you're talking about. No. So always make your video engaging so that people will be interested, and also it's going to be interactive while they are watching it. Then number 4 thing that you should always do and put into place is to use tags and hashtags properly. Now in the course of uploading your video, you know, in the description space, when you must have given your video some description, go ahead to add some tags. Do you understand? Some tags in your videos, because they are your video tags and also your hashtags. So they are like your video tags and hashtag are not the same. Now when you are giving your video some title, you are free to at least put one tags. But in hashtag YouTube recommend at least 15 hashtags is okay. When you use more than 15 hashtags, you are spamming. Yes, you are spamming, so stay away from that. All right. Then also tags itself helps with context and discoverability. Yes, it helps people to discover your video and your channel. So even some big creators still use hashtags and tags even now. So you that is a beginner, who are you not to use tags in your video? So if you check out for big creators like Mr. Beast, yes, these people still use tags in their videos, so don't ignore them. Use relevant tags, focus tags, and not, all those random tags that people use. Also your hashtags, all right, like I said, do not spam them. All right, 15 to 30 hashtags in the description is okay. It looks like it's like 15 to 30 hashtag is too much, actually, at least from 14 and below. So make sure that the hashtags you're using are relevant ones. Keep it clean, keep it focused. You understand? Then last but not least is to always optimize your channel. All right, so before worrying about views, please ask yourself this question: is my channel set properly? Do you have a clear niche, a professional banner, a strong channel description, or organized playlist, and also a clear message about what your channel is all about? If all these questions you're not able to at least attend 4 to 5 of them, then there is something that you are not doing right, which you need to do it as fast as you can. Because one thing is to create channel, another thing is to properly optimize it by identifying your niche, what your banner, your description, and also your playlist. All these things helps your video very, very well. And mind you that optimization helps the system to identify your audience, your niche, and also your content category. So without that clarity, your growth will become difficult. We are going to spend years here without you even being monetized and all of that, and at a point you get burnout, and at the end what happens? You quit. Okay, so if you're not getting that views, or you're not getting that subscribers, or you are not growing at all, do not panic, because you have to, there are a lot of things that you've not yet put into place. Always upload your video through your browser studio, schedule them before uploading, make longer valuable videos, and use tags wisely. Lastly, optimize your channel. Okay, so growth on YouTube isn't magic. It's structure plus strategy plus consistency. So we've actually come to the end of this video. So if this video helped you, please go ahead to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more practical YouTube growth, because small changes in how you upload can actually completely change your results. So guys, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Let's keep growing.